Hi guys, my name is Tanmoy Kumar Das and welcome to my course Google Ads Masterclass 2022. I wanted to take this opportunity to give you a background about myself. I have been working on PPC for the last 13 years, guys. I have a huge passion for PPC ads. I was a Google employee, a former Google employee, where I worked on this product for a good amount of years. And now I am also teaching this product to a lot of working professionals and entrepreneurs across the organizations. Just to let you know what you will get to learn in this product. So we will be covering the complete in-depth of Google Ads in this course, wherein I'll take you through the basics of what is Google Ads and how you can use this product, the ad ranking concept, ad auction, quality score, bid amounts. We'll also talk about keywords, keyword research, how to add keywords to our campaigns. Also, we'll do practical implementation of looking at how to build different types of campaigns across the Google network, like your search campaigns, display campaigns, video campaigns, shopping campaigns, also different types of remarketing campaigns as well. I will also show you different some advanced features like scripts, rules also, and we're going to look at business data as well in this specific course. I have built multiple assignments as well for you, wherein you can have a look at the recording, understand the product, and you can do the assignments as well. I hope by the end of this course, you are able to understand Google Ads in a much better manner, and you are able to use it in your field and in your career going forward. So thank you so much guys for enrolling into this course and have a great time learning this.